Okay, guys, I've got the one VW Golf, and the car was water leak actually, and the water leak it was from here, and I checked that the problem it was for the intercoolant oil, and the place it was here, and I'll open it and show you what's the problem actually. You can see the seal. They said the seal was broken. That's why is oil leak actually. And just if you can get a just gasket, yeah, and you can replace that. If not, you have changed it completely actually. Okay, and that one is for the water, this one, and the other one, another one is uh, for the oil actually, and this one now, no, I can remove it. Yeah, look, and this one is just for the oil, and that one is just for the water. That's why that one was broken, and just the water leak actually. And I bought a new one. The new one is like that, and just be careful when you want to put that, see that the oil filter is inside or not. And yeah, it's not big job, but it's take a time, maybe 2 hours to open it and fix it. Okay, thank you so much for watching.